Are you tired of paying too much for your flood insurance premium? Are you tired of dealing with Fema? Well, we've got some really good news for you. Effective October the 1st, 2018, as a homeowner, you can now leave Fema at any point in time and receive a prorated refund on your flood insurance policy. Well, why would you want to do that? For starters, you can save a lot of money by moving to the private flood insurance market, as well as receive much better coverage. Find out the details below, fill out the form, and start saving today.